Hi there, Mixup Corner TV lovers. It's good to see you again. You're welcome to another exciting edition and informative scenery and whatever you call it. Yeah. You're welcome to Mixup Corner TV with me, Caroline, the only Carolina in the world. Before we continue, please, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. I'm waiting for you. King, 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 the bell. Yes, thank you so much. Well, today the words we're going to be looking at are rainfall, live, Live, and leave, Leave. My Niger friends, you people, you are guilty now. Pardon me. Well, how do we find the differences, or what are the differences between these two words? Now, live, Live, simply means to be in a state of existence or to be alive. So the person lives, okay? I'm a living being. I live, you live, we all live. Or it simply means staying at some place, okay? Or being a resident somewhere. So where do you live? I live in Adabraka. You live in Lagos. All right, fine. But when we say leave, Leave, it simply means to exit a place, okay, or to bequeath something to someone. So she leaves the room. I am leaving the room. Not I'm leaving the room, okay. I leave, you leave, she leaves, or someone leaves a property to somebody. So those are the differences. Live is to be alive, okay, to be living. Live, pronounce live. And then Leave, pronounce leave. Please don't get it mixed up. It's Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina. Bye bye.